Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to write a basic Python program. For writing a program, three things are required, that is input, process and output. Input. Input is that thing which is required to be read in the program. It could be from user or it could be by the programmer. Process is the process which is required to be performed during execution of the program. We can say that it is the required task which we have to be accomplished by performing a program, by writing a program. Output is that portion which is required to be print on the console after execution of the program. So the whole process depends on these three parameters: input, process, output. So let us talk about these three separately. Input. To read input from user in a Python program, the built-in function input is provided by the Python. But remember one thing, Python reads everything in the form of a string. Means suppose I am reading a number, then I have to write the command in this way: input, and in quotes whatever message you want to display on the prompt. Suppose I am writing a message for the user: enter a number. This is the message which I want to display on the screen, and whatever value the user will enter, I am storing this value in a variable, let us say a. In the same way, I want to read another value from the user, then I have to take another variable, let us say b, and again I am writing input, enter second number. Now if I do c equal to a plus b, print c. Print is a built-in function which is used to print the content on the screen, print the result on the screen. So suppose user gave 7, here user gave 13, then the output will be 713, not 20. Why it is so? Because I have told you earlier, Python reads everything in the form of a string. Here 7 is a string, 13 is a string, and here plus, it performs a work of concatenation. That's why it is concatenating 7 and 13. That's why it is giving this 713, not 20. If we want to read the content in the form of integer or float, then there are built-in function int, built-in function float. These are the functions which are provided by the Python to read the value in the form of integer or in the form of float. For example, now I am doing this question in which I want to add the value instead of concatenation, because plus behave as concatenation with the string and plus behave as addition with the integer value. So I have to do like this: a equal to int, I am using this built-in function, then function start. Now I am writing the command for input, then input start. After that the message which I want to display: enter a number, input close, int close. In the same way, b equal to int input enter second number, input close, int close. Now C equal to A plus B print C. Now if I give 7 in A, 13 in B, after that this plus will do the calculation of 20 and the 20 will be the output. So in this way you can change the value of a given input. Remember that Python read everything in the form of a string. If you want to change the type of the value, then you have to use the built-in function. Int function is used to change the value in integer and float function is used to change the value in float. Now this is the first part, input. Now I am talking about second part, output. Python provide print function to print the output. Print function takes three parameters. Print first the value which you want to print, comma, sep. Sep is for separator, means if you want to print the multiple value and you want to separate the value with some character, then you can write the character over here. And after that AND. AND is the parameter, means after the execution of the print statement, line gets changed automatically because by default the value of AND is new line. But if you want to change the value of AND parameter, then you can change here. Means after printing the value, line will not be AND on the new line, it will be ANDed on the character which you have written over here. Let's see how. Suppose if I write print 1, 2, 3, then the output will be 1, 2, 3. In this way output will be there. Sorry, correction. The output will be 1, 2, 3. This will be the output because by default separator is space. If I want output should be like this, 1, 2, 3, and here I want separator, let us say at the rate. I want this output. Then I will write this command, print 1, 2, 3, comma, sep at the rate. In this way, here sep is the separator which we have used to separate the value. Suppose I am writing this command, print 1, print 2, you will get print 1. As soon as the execution of this print statement overs, line will get changed automatically because by default the AND value of this parameter is new line. That's why 2 will appear in next line. But if I want the output should come this 1, 2, then I will write this like, I would like to write in this way, print 1, comma, and comma, ऐसे print 2. Here I need not to write the end comma because here in this output at the end no comma is there. If I write this and comma, then here comma will appear at the end of the line and the next value will be printed here. It will not change the line. You can change any of the character over here on which you want to end the line. In this way, print and input statement work.